Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the mega recruitment notifications. That means huge number of vacancies are there from the four different colleges I am going to show you guys. And out of these four, few are the government colleges and few are the private colleges. And here the eligibility are there for the post graduations only and for the PG plus UG's net candidates. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the private as well as the government universities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG's net preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first one we're going to see Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth deemed to be university. So from this one, here we got the few vacancies guys. The School of Contemporary Knowledge CKS dated 10th May 2021. So here the assistant professor vacancies on the contractual basis. So applications are invited for the appointment of assistant professor. 4 number of vacancies are there in the School of Contemporary Knowledge Systems for the academic year 2021 to 22. And the appointment will be temporary and the engagement on a contract basis shall be for a period of 1 semester starting from August 2021 or till the vacancies are filled up. So assistant professor in commerce contractual basis 2 vacancies are there, and assistant professor in business administration contractual 1 post is there, and assistant professor in renewable energy contractual basis 1 post is there. And coming to the essential qualifications, here you may check down MCom or MBA finance or marketing or operations, and masters in travel and tourism management, ME or MTech in energy management with 55% of marks or else the equivalent grade in a point scale wherever the grading system is followed from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. So coming to the educational qualifications, okay, the candidate must have the post graduation in these departments, plus the candidate should also have the UGC net or else the CSIR net qualification must be there. So if the PhD is there, then those candidates are exempted from the net SLET or SET qualifications. Okay, so definitely for this post, PG plus UGC net is required. And how to apply means interested candidates fulfilling the above criteria may email their resume to cks@cvv.ac.in, or you may contact to this number, okay, Dr. Manjula Iyer, associate professor, and it is a rolling advertisement guys. It will remain active as per the school's requirement. Okay, however, the applications received by and before 25th May 2021 will be processed in the first phase. Okay, and the remuneration is 35,000 rupees per month consolidated. The date of interview is 5th June 2021 at morning 11 a.m. and it is an online interview guys. So you need not to attend the interview physically. By simply sitting in your home, you can attend for the interview. And few more general conditions are given here. So you may go through these conditions guys. And you may apply your resume to this provided mail ID, or else you may contact to this number, or else you can apply through this website also guys. So here the apply now is there. If you click on the apply now, then you will get the details like name, email, phone number, experience, as well as the designations and educational details. So all these things you have to fill up here and then click your submit your message. Fine. So here whatever the different programs, okay, so please check down the programs here, undergraduate and postgraduate, okay, and a PG diploma. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, just apply guys. Okay, so whenever the vacancies are there, they may approach you. Fine. So it is the one deemed to be university vacancy. And coming to the second one is Army Institute of Management, Kolkata. So here from this one, here the employment notification is there for the assistant professor 1 vacancy, and here the qualification required is essential graduation with first class in engineering or science or commerce or economics or BBA, and PhD and multi-cross disciplinary knowledge or skills relevant to the management education, and online teaching expertise as well as a corporate experience. Right? So these are the qualifications required. All degree certificates must be from a university recognized by Association of Indian Universities, and interested candidates may fill up the forms attached at the Appendix A along with the specialization papers as attached at annexure and sent through the email to the pa_director@aam.ac.in, or else a speed post or else a courier the duly filled application forms hard copy to this mentioned mail to this address by the 31st May 2021. And few more instructions are given here, you may check down. Here the application form is there in the annexure A. Okay, so take down the printout of this one and just fill up these things. Okay, and scan this thing and then send to the provide mail ID, as well as you have to send the hard copy to the mentioned address also. Okay, so please check down for this details. Okay, I will provide these links in the description box of this video, so you may carefully check down, guys. And coming to the next notification is from National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, from temporary contract basis under project, job location Chennai. The contact number is also given here, and the period of contract is 1 year initially. It may be extended, guys. And here the post are consultant finance and administration, graduate or higher with at least 10 years work experience in the finance and administration in central government office. One post is there, and the consolidated pay is 30,000 to 40,000. The job descriptions are also given here. Age is 21 to 65 years. And coming to the multitasking staff, okay, intermediate with a knowledge of computer. One post is there, 21 to 40 years. The amount is 18,000 rupees, and whatever the duties you have to do, that one mentioned here. Fine. And a few more general instructions are given here. Okay, so it will be, the application form will be available from 17th May 2021 to 25th May 2021. So it is the last date, guys. And the candidates has to fill up the application very carefully in the online application form. So eligible candidates applying through online application on or before 25th May 2021 will be shortlisted based upon the education or the professional qualification or the experience. And shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. So 27th May 2021 through the virtual mode. That means it is a video conferencing, guys. You need not to attend physically there. Okay, and the registration fee is 200 rupees for all the category. And here the bank details are given here. Okay, you may check down for the few more details here. I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. And coming to the next one is, and the last one. So it is from the Agricultural University. Okay, Acharya Engineering Agricultural University, but don't think that here only agricultural vacancies are there. Other departmental vacancies are also there. Okay, so you may check down. And here the last date is 25th May 2021 by evening 4 o'clock. So let us check the details, guys. And coming to the eligibility criteria, candidate should possess the prescribed qualification as on the last date of application and should have qualified in the national eligibility test in the subject concerned, along with one publication in NAEAS rated referred journal for the post of assistant professor cadre. And the net is exempted to the PhD candidates. And coming to the departments here, so agriculture, in the faculty of agriculture, agricultural business management and engineering, extension, agriculture microbiology, agronomy, biochemistry, crop physiology, entomology, plant breeding, horticulture, plant pathology, and the agriculture chemistry, veterinary science, and the statistics. Okay, the total 77 vacancies are there. Okay, you may check down, guys. The grand total 88 vacancies are there. And agriculture engineering and technology. So basic engineering and applied sciences, electrical and electronics and instrumentation. In basic science and humanities, mathematics and farm machinery, business management and process engineering, process technology. Okay, a few things are mentioned here. And coming to the faculty of home science, apparel and textiles and food and nutrition, human development and family studies, resource management and the consumer science. Okay, so these are the vacancies in the assistant professor, guys. So associate as well as the professor vacancies are also there. If you are having the PhD, then you may check down, guys. Okay, and I will provide all the links in the description box of this video, so please carefully check down all these 4, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are having the educational qualifications as well as additional qualifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET. Here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.